Hi everyone, I am S. Lakshmi, Assistant Professor of Botany from Ayana Janaki Ammal College, Sivakasi. I am going to explain the factors affecting population growth. Okay. So let me explain what is population. So it is the group of individuals of same species which are growing in a specific area. Okay. So individuals in the sense, for example, neem tree. Neem tree is an individual. Okay. So the number of neem trees which are growing in a particular area in the sense a garden. Okay. So the number of neem trees which are growing in a garden is called a population. That is neem population. Okay. The population growth is the change in size of the population over a period of time. Okay. Size of the population in the sense the number of individual plants which are growing in a specific area. Okay. As I said earlier, the number of neem plants which are present in the garden is a size of the population. Okay. The size of the population will keep on changing over a period of time. So that is called population growth rate. Okay. So for example, if you are visiting a forest, you may have a chance to see numerous plants. Okay. So for example, you may see tamarind tree, you may see neem tree, you may supposed to see some other ficus and so on. Okay. So first, when you are visiting a forest, you just make a record of number of individual plants, number of tamarind trees, number of neem trees, number of ficus and so on. Okay. So after a period of time, after 2 or 3 months of time, you once again visit that forest and again make a record of number of individuals, that is neem tree, ficus and tamarind trees. So in this time, you may have a chance of increasing or decreasing number of individual plants in that area. Okay. This change rate is called population growth rate. This population growth rate is influenced by two major factors. One is birth rate and death rate. Population growth rate is represented by R and it is nothing but the change in size of the individual over a period of time. That is the number of ficus trees which are initially reported and after 3 months. Okay. So this change is known as the growth rate of a particular population. Okay. This growth rate may be positive or negative. If it is a positive growth rate, then the number of individuals in that population will keep on increasing. If it is a negative growth rate, then the number of individuals in the particular population will go on decreasing. Okay. So these are the two types of growth rates. Okay. So these growth rate is mainly influenced by birth rate and death rate. That means the number of individuals produced by the parent organisms and the number of individuals which are eliminated or which die in that particular population. Okay. Apart from these two major factors, that is birth rate and death rate, there are some other factors which also have influence on the population growth rate. They are immigration and emigration. So immigration is nothing but the number of organisms which are entering into the population from somewhere else in the sense, for example, every year in bird centuries, some birds from foreign countries are entering our country. So this process is called immigration. Similarly, birds from our country will visit some other places. That is called emigration, or otherwise leaving of organisms from a particular population. This immigration and emigration also have influence over the growth rate of a particular population. So keeping all these factors into account, population growth rate can be determined. So population growth rate R can be determined with the formula B plus I minus D plus E. Here R represents the population growth rate and B refers to birth rate, D refers to death rate, I refers to immigration rate and E refers to the emigration rate. Okay. Immigration rate in the sense the number of individuals which are entering into a population from some other places. Similarly, emigration rate in the sense the number of individuals which are leaving from a particular population. Okay. So apart from birth rate, death rate, immigration and emigration, there are some other factors also which are having influence over the population growth rate. They are dispersal and migration. These two movements are common among plants and animals, not both simultaneously but individually. Okay. So dispersal mechanism is a common phenomenon which existing in the plants. Okay. So this dispersal mechanism have major impact on the size of the population, in particular to plants. Okay. So dispersal in the sense here, the dispersal of seeds is a major phenomenon which influences the size of the population. Okay. So that means the particular population may keep on increasing due to seed dispersal mechanism, or otherwise they will keep on decreasing. Okay. This seed dispersal mechanism will help the offsprings to compete, help the offsprings from competing with their mother plants. Okay. That means if a tree has shedded seeds in nearby places, then there will be a competence among the offsprings and the mother plant for nutrition, light, water and some other mineral sources which they can obtain from the soil. If a seed is dispersed by air, water or some other means, then the competence with the parent, then the competence among the parent and offsprings will be reduced. So in this way, dispersal of seeds plays an important role in the population growth rate. Okay. Similarly, migration is a common phenomenon which is present in animals, particularly to the birds. Okay. So every year, birds often visit or often move from one place to other place in a particular season for finding their food, mates or some other reasons. Okay. So that migration of birds plays a vital role in population growth also. Okay. So like seed dispersal mechanism in plants, birds also having a migration mechanism which have major impact on the population growth rate. So as a whole, the population growth rate of organisms are mainly influenced by birth rate, death rate, along with the emigration and also by dispersal and migration mechanisms. Hope you understand the phenomenon of population growth rate and its changes. Thank you for listening.